Namaste. New moon greetings to you, sisters. Today we are doing womb seed meditation, womb dream seed. Let's start by feeling into the body and honoring the body by adjusting the position so she feels comfortable, so she feels held. So you may want to lie down for this one or just recline back, and let's place our palms, making this downward facing triangle, onto our womb space. So your thumbs will be at about your navel, and you will feel that the rest of your fingers are touching around your ovaries. So we want to start by just closing the eyes or creating very soft gaze and feeling the deep breath helping us to descend. Sink deeper into the body and into the womb, arriving into this dark, warm, safe place. New moon is the time of death and rebirth, and it's a perfect time to plant some of our dream seeds for the coming month. We are fully arriving into the darkness, into the void, and feeling safe. Remind yourself that it's safe to not see and just feel. And as you're feeling embraced and safe, you are covered with these protective blankets by the Great Mother, by Mama Gaia as her embodiment. You are resting in her womb. You're feeling yourself unconditionally accepted and nourished so generously, knowing that you have never lost this connection. The Mother is always here for you in whatever form and shape you are willing to receive her. So just let yourself breathe her in, breathing in her safety, breathing in her unconditional love. And you're feeling yourself as a child in her womb, a pure, innocent child made of love. Allow yourself to let go, to shed away anything that is on the way of you feeling this purity and power of innocence. Breathing it out to fully reconnect with your own purity. feel yourself as the manifestation of her dream. You are her dream seed that has come into this full bloom of beauty that you are. You've been manifested as her dream seed on this planet through the first woman and all women that came after her and birthed anything onto this planet. Feel yourself connected into this tapestry of life. You are a continuation of this stream of life and love. You are a dream seed, and you have your own dream seeds in your womb, in your body, in your psyche, in your being. You are having a dream, and you are being dreamed at the same time. You are she who is holding, and you are she who is being held. In the sacred warmth of Mother's womb, you're gaining clarity now. And you are feeling into what is your dream seed for this coming moon. This new moon is going to help you to reactivate your essence, to reconnect with your truth, and to truly help yourself and everyone on the planet by feeling your desires. No, it's healing not just for you, it's healing for our collective. Your presence in this body right here and now is a gift. And your presence is enough. It doesn't need to be something huge. We are going to just relax even deeper into the body. Body never lies. Into the womb. This velvet, shiny darkness of the womb. This fecund potential. And you ask yourself the simple question: what is my seed for this moon, for this month? And allow a word, maybe a sentence, maybe a sound, maybe an image, to bubble up from the depths of your womb. This one word that will be your guidance, your North Star, your lens of perspective, your nurturance that feeds your soul. Let that word to be heard. Listen with all of your body, being empty to receive, surrendering to receive. Life has a dream for you, and you are receiving an important part of this dream right now. And let it be registered by your logical mind, so you can formulate it into a word if it came in a different way. And you now consciously planting that word, that dream seed, into the depth of your fertile soils of the womb. Trusting the creative power of your womb to birth it through. As you plant the seed in your womb, you then allow this energy start expanding from your womb into the whole of your sacred bone. And then further up into your upper belly, solar plexus, chest, heart, as well as down into your hips, legs, feet. Allow this dream seed energy, this vibration to go all the way through your shoulders, arms, hands, into your fingernails. And from your chest up through your neck, all the way to the crown of your head. Just filling up, allowing your whole body, this container, be filled up with the frequency of your dream seed for this moon. And speak it out loud, just for yourself now, saying that word out loud and feeling it's vibrating in your mouth, just feeling the frequency on your lips, its taste. Activating it. Birthing its essence through your voice. And if you find it hard, you can try yawning. Just pretend that you are yawning, fake it. Oh, and feel that opening in your throat as you open in your yoni, your vagina at the same time. Allowing that canal, that channel, connect your womb and your voice. Oh, yawning, and then making maybe any sounds if voicing out your desire, your dream seed is challenging at the moment. You don't need to force it. And now just offering a prayer, asking for what you need, and also communicating anything that needs to be spoken, whether it's to a particular person or to the universe, to the Great Mother. Let your heart speak for you, through you. Feeling how this portal is open now. And there is this direct communication from the source, from the Great Mother, to you as well. So you are receiving her guidance in regards to your dream seed. How can I bridge my dream seed to earth? to this 3D world. And if there is silence, trust the silence. Don't be conditioned in regards to how you receive the guidance. Allow yourself to receive any unexpected frequencies, images, or emptiness. Emptiness of this new moon, knowing that it has everything you need. And it's all inside of you already. And so it is done. It is done, it is done, it is done in the name of the One, in the name of love. And so it is, and so it is, and so it is. Thank you for listening with me. And feel free to take more time here to come to the natural conclusion of your direct communication with your womb, with Great Mother's womb, with the universe. Thank you for planting a garden of new reality, new paradigms, of new earth. This is so potent and so needed, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for being a part of this tapestry of life. I'm so honored to be a guest in your journey. And I would like to finish with a very short poem called Trust the Seed by Ariel Spilsbury, the founder of the 13 Moon Mystery School that I was initiated through into the divine feminine mysteries. Trust. Trust that you don't have to work so hard. Trust that you don't have to do and hold so much. Rather, trust the innate intelligence of the seed. Trust that its process of growth is in motion. As you surrender and move through whatever it takes. Trust that the seed has already been planted. Just water it and nudge it into the sun if it's in a shady spot. Just water it, give it sun, and grow gratitude. Just water it, give it sun, and grow gratitude. That's all that's needed. So feeling this gratitude expanding your womb, heart, your whole being. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May your new moon be blessed. Namaste.